Oh hey! Welcome back to another video. If it's your first time at this channel, I'm Max, 51 Talks resident fun guy. Before we start things off, here's a fun question for everyone. What's your favorite color and why? Mine's most definitely yellow. Why? Well, it's the color of sunshine. It also stands for happiness and positivity. Let me know what your favorite color is by leaving your answers in the comment section below. I'll pick the most creative answer and include it in the next video. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the other fun stuff coming your way. The teaching demo is the step right after your new teacher training. You will be asked to conduct a sample lesson with one of 51 Talks Chinese evaluators. Passing it takes you a step closer to finally becoming a 51 Talk teacher. Here are 8 tips that you can use to ace your teaching demo. The material that you will need to present during your teaching demo will be sent to you in advance. Please study it to ensure that you are well acquainted with the lesson. Use appropriate actions and gestures to convey your words better. Simple movements that mimic the meaning of certain words will help your students to better understand what you are teaching. Enter the classroom with a smile on your face and your body full of energy. Being lively is contagious, so it'll definitely make your students more eager to participate in your lesson. Teaching aids are key to getting your students engaged in your classroom. Using toys, flashcards, pictures, and the like can help your students get a grasp of your lesson. You can also use them to relieve boredom and catch or hold your students' attention. Motivating your students to learn and participate can at times still be very hard. Another thing that you can do to get them engaged is to use creative rewards. Pulling out cutouts of stars or letting your students pick a prize for answering questions correctly is a good start to rewarding good behavior. Your voice is one of the most effective tools that you can use in the classroom. Don't be shy to try out some fun sounds and animated tones. Your students will mostly be young learners. With this in mind, remember to always use basic words to keep your instructions short and simple. Use the acronym KISS or KISS so that you never forget. Just like any story, all lessons have a beginning, a middle, and an end. My last tip for you is to follow the lesson flow. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. Apply all these tips and you'll surely ace your teaching demo. Good luck! Remember to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more fun, amazing 51 Talk videos. See you around!